Hey guys, it's your boy Mike with the Truth, and I'm finna hop straight into the video. So today, guys, I'm finna be talking about 5 things to increase your aura. Now I want to dive a little bit into an aura at first. So anybody's aura is basically energy. It's energy you can pick up on. Have you ever realized if you walk into a room somewhere and the energy feels a little bit off, like, you know what I'm saying, people being arguing or it's a little tense, maybe a person's sad or anything. And with the aura, I'm going to be telling you guys 5 things today on how to strengthen your aura. Because today, guys, it's a lot of negativity going on in the world, and it's real easy to have a low vibrational aura or to be a low vibrational person. And to raise your vibration, you have to raise your aura. So the first thing I want to speak about is meditation. Now, when you meditate, you're simply being one with yourself. You're getting closer to yourself. It's more so self-evaluation, self-understanding, I'll say. And when I meditate, it's more so of a silencer, I'll say. It gives you a chance to really focus on something else you want to think about that may be important, or if you just have too much on your mind and you want to not think about it, it can help with that too. Because when you're slowly getting into meditation and you're focusing on your breathing and your abdominal area, and you continue to slow your heart rate down, you're going to realize a couple things when you start to first meditate. You're going to realize how self-aware you begin to be as far as your surroundings, as far as how you're feeling, and as far as what you're thinking. You become very self-aware, and that's something that many of us humans lack of, is self-awareness. And this can go into if you're just trying to simply lose weight and you don't got good self-awareness of what you're eating and what you're doing, it can play in that part too. Or if you simply just want to be self-aware of negative people coming into your life, or it may be a negative, you know what I'm saying, dude that your woman may be experiencing with, that y'all going through a toxic relationship, or a negative girl that you've been going through with, and y'all just ain't seeing eye to eye. It's a lot of stuff going on. You're arguing. You want to get your, you know what I'm saying, your stress levels down and stuff like that. Well, my friend, meditation is for you, and I promise you, I would wish meditation on my worst enemy. It's that valuable, you know what I'm saying, for everyday life. And number 2, I'd say, is yoga. Now, meditation and yoga, they go back and forth together. So what I mean by getting one with self, meditation is more so getting closer to your mind, while yoga is more so getting close to your body, the physical, you know what I'm saying, realm of your body. While meditation is targeting the subconscious mind. So with yoga, it'll raise your aura in many ways, but mostly it's going to raise your aura because you're learning how to be self-aware of your body, and you're also controlling your breathing movements just like you do with meditation. And also, what, you know what I'm saying, something about yoga that people don't understand is when you're doing yoga, it's really like a stress reliever as well, just like meditation, because a lot of our joints on our bodies, they cause stress, like physical stress. Right here, if you be stressed around the neck area, you will see that you'll get a headache because there's too much stress right there on the neck. It's the same with the mind. That's why I love to meditate. And I want to teach you guys about meditation. It's because there's a lot of stress that goes in the mind. People forget that the brain is a muscle now. I don't want y'all to forget that, because the brain is a muscle. With that being said, that means that it is some muscles in here that can get tight around your neck, which can cause your mind to hurt. Which is why I say that it's a stress reliever for the body as far as doing meditation, which will overall cause lower stress levels, which will overall raise your aura, so that it'll be a good stress reliever. Basically, it's a lot of things that come with meditation and yoga that I really can't dive deep into right now, but it's more so of like I want you guys to experience it, because I want you guys to have your own feelings and emotions towards this practice. I don't want this to be like a side-by-side guide that you have to follow. This is more so just me telling you things that I have done in the past or I am doing now in order to improve my aura that has worked for me or is working for me. So I just want to give you guys a couple ideas, you know, to maybe help you guys in your spiritual journey as well, or to help you guys just live a simple, better life, because I really believe that everybody in this world should have a better life. and that it's a lot of things that people don't know that they could do to increase their their lifespan and to make sure they live a well balanced life, stress-free, of course. Let's get back to the subject though. Okay, so number 3. So we got walking barefoot. I know a lot of you guys gonna be like, what the fuck is she talking about? Why is she talking about walking barefoot? Now, when you walk barefoot, you're automatically getting closer to Mother Nature. You're touching Mother Nature skin to skin. Mother Nature's DNA is getting encrypted into your body. Many people don't understand this, but it's a practice. I don't know the term now, so I don't want to say the wrong terminology for it, but it's a practice that people use on the feet, on the bottom of the feet, to target certain areas of the body. For example, I think if you massage the right area up there by the toes of the feet, you can target the kidney. That can relieve some kidney problems because you're massaging that area located right there by the toes and the ball in the palm of your feet. If I was looking at it, if there was the foot, these the toes, it'd be right here. And I think that's where the kidney at, as far as locating the kidney from the massage area to relieve any kidney problems and stuff like that. So it makes sense that if you're touching nature, you automatically raise your vibration because you're now one with nature. And I don't know if anybody ever told you this or not, but you ever went in nature and you felt like you was never alone? Even though you can be out in the woods by yourself, it feels like you're never alone because Mother Nature is with you. The universe is with you, and the physical realm is with you. You are now one with the Mother Nature, and you are now on Mother's Nature vibration, which is a very high vibration. So that leads me to my next point, that it will raise your vibration. Now, all you would need is 5 minutes a day. 5 minutes a day, just go on some grass and plant your feet right there. You can practice some breathing exercises. You can simply just listen to your favorite music, song, but I advise on listening to music because nature sounds is really just beautiful. It's breathtaking, honestly. So, or you can simply do yoga outside and just be barefooted. There's a lot of ways you can do it. You don't have to stick to one thing. Find what's best for you. I don't want you to limit yourself. Just find what's best for you. Now, on my last one, this is gonna be like a not really talked about subject, but I threw it in there because I do feel like it's beneficial to raising your aura. Getting 8 hours of sleep. Now, I know you're probably wondering why this, or how does sleep got to do with raising your vibration. So, for the brain to function right, or for the brain to function at its full ability, I say, you have to get at least 8 to 7 hours of sleep a night. It will help brain function, it'll help your muscles and your body recover. And for my dudes out there, it's very, very important for us to get 8 hours of sleep because that's the time that testosterone production is going on in the body. Is when you are asleep, when your body is at rest. So for my dudes out there, if you were thinking about raising your testosterone levels, you know what I'm saying, maybe they've been a little low lately, you've been feeling a little tired, you know, so your muscles ain't been feeling, you ain't been feeling pumped with your muscles or anything like that. So sleep can help with that also. And it really helps with certain releases in the brain as far as serotonin. You got certain dopamine, certain receptors in the brain that getting 8 hours of sleep will really help you bring all those levels to a good level. It's not too low, you know what I'm saying? So you can focus on one thing at a time and actually be focused on what you're doing. You're not distracted easily. So you had no sleep and everything, so you're ready to go for that next day, which is important because, for example, if you was doing meditation, yoga, and walking barefoot and all these things that are during the day, you're going to need energy for that, and you're going to need time. So if energy isn't a problem, you know what I'm saying, because you've been getting 8 hours of sleep, yeah, boy, yeah. I've been seeing you, yeah. You know what I'm saying, following Mike, yeah. You know what I'm saying, all praise to God. But as far as, not energy levels, but as far as time goes, if you're a really busy person and you work a lot or anything like that, just find time. You can simply multitask. If you gotta do homework or something, like, just do it outside. I know it sounds crazy, but just, you feel me, like, just pick up, place on the grass, put your feet on the grass, and just do your homework. You feel me? Just find time to do things that's gonna make you better and it's gonna improve you. Because one thing I found out is people can say they don't have time, but people gonna make time for stuff that's really important to them. You ever wonder why certain people work out before they go to you know what I'm saying, work anything, and everybody looking at them crazy, like, why don't you work out before you go to work? Because working out is very important to them. That's something that they put that at a higher level than anything else, a higher priority than anything else on their schedule, which to them is a really important priority. So they put it at the top of the list, which is very important because you want to put things that actually gonna benefit you at the top of your list, so you can do it with the fullest energy and the fullest focus, and you can actually see why it's beneficial because you're doing it in the morning when you first wake up. But that's it for today's video, guys. I just want to bring you to awareness of auras and energy, and also about different things to raise your vibration and to be a new high vibrational person. You know what I'm saying? Just please subscribe, guys. I'm new to the YouTube phase, you know, so I'm still trying out what's best for me and trying out things that can make this channel better. I would like to take any suggestions. I'm open. I'm open for all the criticism, you know, because I want to get better, you know. So this has been your boy Michael with the truth. Peace.